Hi, I'm Stacie. I run a cocktail Instagram account called Garden Cocktails. The cocktail today that I'm going to be making is called the Stacie ImaGINation. So we're going to start with the gin. And then we'll add some Lillet. I really like to use Lillet because I think it's an underrated ingredient and it adds just an extra dimension to the drink. After that, I'm going to add some citrus, because a good balanced cocktail always needs some citrus. And then a little bit of honey simple syrup. After that, I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne and some salt. I think salt is a really special ingredient. It really brings out the flavor of citrus, especially the mandarin I'm about to muddle in here. Now we'll add in some of the mandarin. And I like to use mandarin in this because it's a sweeter citrus, so I didn't have to use as much honey simple syrup because I'm adding the mandarin and it helps create more of a balanced drink. And then add a ton of ice and shake it. So now we will add in the ice round. And I think it's so special that these ice balls are made by the refrigerator instead of those super annoying ice molds. And whenever you have muddled ingredients, you want to give one hard flick to make sure that you don't leave any of the delicious cocktail behind. And then I like to put a little bit of cayenne on the top just so people realize what's in it. And then it's time to go ham on garnishing. So this is a little bit of pineapple sage. Here's some more flowers. A lot of my cocktails start to look like little flower arrangements, but only my dad complains. So cheers. This is the Stacie ImaGINation, and drink responsibly.